Hello, thanks for joining us today at Med Rep College. My name's Jeb and I'm the lead coach and owner of Med Rep College. I appreciate you spending a few minutes with us learning about medical device and pharmaceutical cells. This short video will share some of the difficulties of breaking into the industry and how Med Rep Mastermind can help you achieve your career goals in medical cells. We're going to talk about the complex interviews and how Med Rep Mastermind simplifies that for you. Gives you the confidence that you need to overcome any objections the hiring manager has to extending you the offer. You're going to do it with a smile on your face and confidence because you're going to have all the tools and resources and knowledge that you need to nail your medical sales interview. Let's get into the slides. Maybe you've just started your medical sales interview journey, or maybe you've been at it for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 2 years, because on average, it takes an individual 18 to 24 months to land their first job in medical sales. And that's a long time, a frustrating process. That's why I created Med Rep College. There's no reason it needs to be that difficult, but it is. And I don't think I'm going to change that. And here's some reasons why the industry is so difficult to break into. First, these are terrific jobs. They're high-paying jobs. They're pay for performance. So the more you work, the more you get paid. And not only you have this ambition to work harder because you're helping patients, right? The more you work, the more patients you help. And that's rewarding. That satisfies your needs. You're happy, right? And you're doing that with healthcare professionals. These are highly educated and trained individuals. These doctors and surgeons and nurses and therapists. They're fun to be around. It's great conversations, right? The industry is almost recession-proof. There's always going to be sick patients. There's always going to be hurt patients. There's always going to be patients needing surgery, right? You might not be at the same employer forever, but you will always have an opportunity for a medical sales job, especially if you're a great sales representative, right? Almost recession-proof. Great pay, wonderful benefits, company car. That's what got me 20 years ago. I was a science guy. I thought I was going to be a dentist. Changed my plan. Said, I don't want to work with anybody's mouth. Had no idea what I was going to do. And I had a buddy in the industry. He said, hey, we get a free car. And you know what, Jeb? You got a science degree and sales experience. I was like, perfect. That sounds like a great career. 2 years later, I'm still smiling. And now I'm smiling even more because I get to help individuals just like you double your pay, triple your pay, help you overcome the challenges of breaking into the industry. So thanks for joining me with these slides today. Let's continue the conversation. Breaking into medical sales is difficult. My clients report their challenges, they're frustrating, and they just don't understand the process. They're lost, they're confused, right? Well, why? There's just a lot to it. Right? First, can you find the jobs? Do you know what to apply for? Is your resume correct? Does your resume and application get past the ATS resume system at the company? Is your LinkedIn profile correct? It's just a lot. And then once you get in front of somebody, what's the interview process like? Why are there 6 rounds of interviews? And what's the difference if I talk to a recruiter at the company or talent acquisition and now a hiring manager and oh my God, I'm not good at Zoom interviews and then in person and panel interviews. You're talking to different sales reps during the interview process and how do you maneuver through that? What's the difference? What do you do on these interviews? Right? You got a 30-minute interview, a 60-minute interview. It's confusing. No wonder it takes 2 years to break into medical sales. On top of that, you got all these competitors out there. The competition for these jobs is high. There is talented individuals and candidates going for these jobs, and there's a lot of them. So Med Rep Mastermind is going to give you the advantage in the interview that you need. It's going to build your confidence. You're going to be able to behave and speak and show everything that you need to get that high-paying medical sales job. We, the coaches at Med Rep College, are here to help you. We're here to remove some of the frustration and the challenges that you're going through. We've all been there before. My team has over 100 years of experience in medical device and pharmaceutical sales. We know what you're going through. We can get you there, right? It's just a decision you need to make. Do you want to go through this alone, which might take a while? Or do you want to work with us? Get you through the process quick, about 90 days, sometimes faster since you can do video learning here and learn at your own pace. It's your decision, right? We're just here to help, and we love when we see our clients break in, get the job offer, double or triple their pay. Super rewarding. You could be next. However, something's in your way. There's an obstacle. There's a hurdle. You're missing something. Your interviews aren't going your way. You've been told you won't ever break into medical sales with your background. Well, I'm here to lift you up, change your spirits, get that mindset right. We at Med Rep College have a proven process for you, right? This is Med Rep Mastermind. It's video learning. It's learning through documents, and it's also coaching. Throughout our experience, we've created these documents that will help move you in the right direction, right? Answering over 50-star situational interview and practicing, right? It's how to build a brag book, your business plan. What does that look like? And how do you show that in an interview? What does that do? Right? There's a lot to the interview process. We've mapped it out for you. That's going to build your confidence. You're going to understand how to play the game. If you don't understand the game, you can't win. On your screen, you're going to see some coursework that you would go through Med Rep Mastermind. It's me talking on all the videos. I'm going to be there as your guide. I'm going to hold you accountable to the work. You're going to have homework and responsibilities. The faster you move through it, the faster you get a high-paying medical sales job. So, what are you missing? Right? Is it something on your resume? Maybe you're a nurse. You've been told you don't have sales experience, a physical therapist, medical assistant. Maybe you've been told you don't have the right sales experience. You don't have the right college degree. I'm here to assist with all that. I know the process, right? If you need help on your resume, I've got multiple videos. They're going to help you with that. You're going to have one-on-one coaching. We will get you the experience that you need. If you want to understand the sales process, managing a territory, account management, it's all there with a click of a button. You'll have access to my whole vault of resources to help you have an advantage during these medical sales interviews. And what's the outcome? A return on investment of 3,000%. I wish the stock market would give me 3,000%. I could retire. The process works. We're here for you. We have fun along the way. Let's continue the conversation. Once we get your resume and LinkedIn correct, we know your strengths and talents, and you're able to communicate those through storytelling. We start preparing for the interview process, the STAR situational interview process. If you don't understand how to answer appropriately, you will not move through the interview process. We help you clarify your stories, simplify the process. You're able to communicate clearly to that hiring manager that you have the right skills to do the job. How will you benefit the territory, benefit the manager, benefit the team, benefit the company, and benefit those physician customers that you're going to be working closely with? We help lift you up, understand the interview process. With that comes along the confidence. So if you have any nervousness during these interviews, those will dissipate as you move through the training and the homework. You will have a complete understanding of what to expect on each of your interviews and how to prepare for, right? What do you bring along on these interviews? What's the difference between interviewing on Zoom and in person, and how do you prepare for that? All right? So my school teachers, my nurses, if you have sales experience, you're at ADP or, Glaciers, you're selling liquor and spirits and telecommunication, right? Maybe you're in customer service or hospitality, working in the hotel industry, finance. Med Rep Mastermind will help you. It will help you break into medical sales quickly and effectively. Med Rep Mastermind is packed full of content. There's over 25 videos, over 15 hours of educational content, all related to breaking into medical sales. You will be the most prepared interview candidate in the room. Guaranteed. That's our promise, right? So if you're lost, if you're frustration, if you don't know where to start on your medical sales journey, but you know you can do the job, you know you want to help patients, you want to be in the healthcare industry, Med Rep Mastermind is right for you. Teaches you how the whole application process works, what you need to do. We connect you with the right individuals, recruiters, and sales reps, and hiring manager. Med Rep Mastermind gets you there quickly. As fast as you can learn it, you will get a job. To summarize Med Rep Mastermind, you are going to nail your interview. You're going to have fun along the way. You're going to have access to all the coaches at Med Rep College. You're going to have a career in medical sales. It's wonderful. It's been super rewarding to myself and my family for the last 22 years. I help patients every single day. It's easy to get out of bed in the morning when I'm going out to help patients. If you want to nail your interview, this is the ticket to the industry. Med Rep Mastermind. If you have sales experience or without sales experience, I can help you break into medical sales. This slide helps explain why you should work with me. Well, it's my amount of time in the industry. I've been there. I've been in your shoes. I know it's difficult, right? I've mastered the art of helping individuals just like you break into the industry quickly, right? And I've got other coaches to support your efforts as well. And I challenge you to find another person in the industry that has won 18 President's Clubs in 22 years. That means I was a top performer within the top 10% of the company 18 times. I went on 18 trips to Hawaii or Bermuda, wherever we went, right? My wife loves going on free trips, and so do I, right? And those skill sets and knowledge are what I'm going to bring to you. Not only I help my clients break into medical sales, but once they're in the industry, they're top performers. Because I give you my secret to help you along your journey. Account management, territory management, selling skills, right? Partnering with clinicians. It's all there for you. Just a click away. On top of that, I make it easy for you. This is going to be video learning with your workbooks, and you have access to coaching as well. So you can get through the process quickly. And it's all virtual, right? You don't have to fly anywhere. You don't have to stop your job and go do some kind of training and education. It's virtual. It's all at your own pace. You could go slow or you could go fast. Totally your call, right? You're in control here. That's Med Rep Mastermind for you. All we want to do here is help you break into the industry. Help those patients. It's rewarding work. Medical sales is all about results, and these are the results of Med Rep College and Med Rep Mastermind. We track our results. Our clients get into the industry quickly. That's less than 90 days. They make a lot of money too. They make more money than most. So their starting salaries there, $111,000. And our results speak for themselves. So the amount of our clients that break in with that success rate, 96%, right? That's what we can do for you. Are you ready, right? Are you ready to invest in yourself? The call is yours. You want more proof? Check out our Google reviews. Got awesome reviews there about the coaching, about Med Rep Mastermind, how we built up individuals' confidence, selling skills, winning President's Club, breaking into the industry, teachers doubling their income, moving from a nurse into medical sales, making that transition successfully. It's all there for you. It's my clients' words, right? That is the proof. I'll do the same for you. I will work hard for that Google review. Your time is now. It's time to invest in you. If you're frustrated, if you're struggling, if you want a guide, you want a pathway, you want a roadmap into medical device, pharmaceutical sales, laboratory sales, dental sales, animal health sales, the jobs are there. Very difficult to get them. We have the secret sauce, right? We've got the process for you. Click any of the links that you see on your screen to get you there. You can email me, visit the website, right? medrepcollege.com, and this is the mastermind. You can click mastermind here as well. But your time's now. What's holding you back? If you got more questions, right, send me an email. You see my email there on the screen. We want to help you. We want to serve you. We need more positive individuals in this industry just like you, and Med Rep Mastermind will get you there. So that's going to conclude us for today. I'm looking forward to working with you. Let us know how we can serve you. Cheers.